Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can get back archived stories on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and from this section you're going to go ahead, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then gonna go back and then go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line given on top right corner. And from this section you're going to go ahead, tap on this option of archive. You will be able to find all of the archive stories of yours, and you can just tap on them to get it back. When you tap on it, you will be able to tap on this three dot and you can see save story, save video, save as a post, or boost story else you would want, because all of your archived posts or stories will be over here. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys